Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So all you have to do is to find the phone manager, so this app which is pre-installed on this device, so no worries, for sure you've got one. If you cannot find it on the home screens, then open the app drawer and then find the phone manager. Let's simply enter it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see here, we've got this viruses and risks section, so just tap on it and then tap on scan. And now your device will scan itself basically in order to find any viruses, malware, problems, etc. And after the scanning, it will show you the information of the results, whether it is secured and everything is alright, as you can see here we've got the information, or whether it found any problems, and after that it will of course list all of them, and then you will be able to take actions to remove some viruses, for example, and risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.